weeks to go, and today we have a quick and simple DIY to do these sachets. These are good for your closet. You could put one in your car. You could put it in your drawer with your linens or with your undergarments. You can just put it anywhere and it's going to have a lovely little fragrance. So let's get to it and see how easy these are to make. The supplies we're going to need to make this DIY are some of the jot stickers, the little organza bags. You can get these in the baby shower section where they have the party supplies for baby shower, and sometimes in the section where they have the stuff for weddings and bridal showers. Some of the craft tags, the little brown paper with the embellishments on it, some of those. And I have some scraps of ribbon we're going to use up. And then we have some of this sheer ribbon from the Dollar Tree also. And we're going to use my favorite, the bath soak, or you can use the fragrant booster beads. So both of those will work great. And then when we get all made up, I'm going to show you how I'm going to package them. But it's just so easy. You just take your little bag, and I'm going to use a bowl here in case I spill. And we're just going to fill the bag up. Hush, pup-pups. We're just going to fill the bags up. You want to leave room so that you can pull the drawstring on it. And these already come with the drawstring in it. So fill it up about an inch from where it gathers at the top, and we're just going to pull it closed. That is simple as it can be. Now you can just tie this. You don't have to add anything else. This is perfect just the way it is. You could just take your scissors, clip part of the string off on one side, and then you have a perfect sachet to go. You can hang it in your closet on a coat hanger, or you can put it in your drawer, and it's going to smell. Oh, it smells so good. So, but I'm going to decorate mine a little bit more. So we're going to take one of these little tags, and these come in different designs. They have the striped one, and they have one with polka dots on it, and one with some lines on it like this. But I'm going to use the one with the little hearts on it because I think that's kind of cute. And you could use the string that already comes on it, but I'm going to clip it off because I want to add a little color to mine. I'm going to use these cute little butterfly stickers. And these already have a pop dot on them, so you don't even have to add glue unless yours has lost its stickiness, but I think these are pretty sticky. So you could put it on top of the heart, or you can put it on the other side. I think I'm going to put mine on top of the heart. You know what, I'm going to move this glue dot because it's showing. I'm going to move it down just a little bit so that it doesn't show through. Just move down just a little hair. And then we're going to stick that right in the center of our heart. And you just press it down. And if it needs a little dab of glue, just stick some glue on it. Or you can put another pop dot on it to raise it up a little bit. Just see how cute that is. Then we're going to take coordinating ribbon. I have a little pink ribbon. Well, let's see. Let's do contrasting. Let's do a little purpley ribbon. And I'm just going to slip it through the hole that's already in the tag. And how I'm going to do it is I just fold my ribbon in half, then take my loop, stick it through the hole. And when I get it through, I'm just going to pull the tails through it so that it's secured to my tag. Then we're just going to take that and tie it around the neck of this little bag. And what I'm going to do is the attached ribbon that came with it, that's going to be my hanger. So I'm just going to take my ribbon that I added to my tag, take it around the neck, bring it back to the front, and tie a bow. You know, just as a decoration. And get that tied on there. And adjust it so you know, to the size that you want. You know, zhuzh it, that's a good word. Play with it till you get the way you want it, and then clip your tails off. And there we have a pretty little sachet. You can hang that in your closet. It's so cute. Or you can put it in your drawer with your undergarments or your socks, and everything's going to smell wonderful like roses. So I'm going to go ahead and make up the rest of these and then show you how I'm going to package them. Three, two, one. We have all our sachets made. And I did 2 with the Epsom salts and 2 with the laundry booster. Now the ones with the Epsom salts, you want to give them a good shake over a bowl because they are a little dusty, and get that dust off of there before you package them up. If you're making these way in advance of Christmas, I would put them in some individual Ziploc bags so the scents don't mingle, and wait until just before Christmas to package them to give as a gift. But this is how I'm going to package them. I have one of these clear cellophane loop bags. You can buy 20 of them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. But I have one of those, and I got a piece of just plain cardstock, and I cut it to fit the width of the bag unfolded. And then you don't have to do this, but I'm going to round my corners because I have this corner thing and I don't use it much, and I've got to feel like it was worth the money I paid for it, because it was like $10, but I did use my coupon at Michael's when I got it. So, and that just makes nice little corners like that. You can try to stick these down with double-sided tape, but I think I'm going to just use Scotch tape on here. And you want to position these so that the tag kind of is even with the bottom, and I'm going to just alternate them, a pink and a blue and a blue and a pink. So that'll be cute. And just take a piece of Scotch tape, and you know, this tape will come right off. It's not going to hurt them or damage them or anything, but you just want to put it down and kind of tape them to that paper so they don't slide around. So we got those 2. So we'll fold into little tags, little strings, and then we'll do a blue one on this side and a pink one on this side. And we're going to do the same thing and put a piece of tape on them too. Just kind of flip the tags up so you can get the tape on. And you just want the tape to go across the top of the bag and to the back of the paper. So you can get that on there. And then you can just tuck those little strings behind. And then we're just going to slide it in our bag. Just open our bag up, take our paper, put on the edge of our bag, zhuzh our tags around, and slide that right into the bottom of the bag. There you go. So you can just take your hand and kind of straighten out your tags. So we fixed a tag to go on the front of this, and I thought that it would be cute if I took this. I got these note cards from Dollar Tree or Michael's, I can't remember, but if I got them from Michael's, they were in the dollar discount bin, or you know, they had that row at the front of the store that has all the dollar items, the $2 items. But anyway, it was 8 for $1. Either place I got it. But anyway, these were full size, and I cut it off so that this is centered in the middle of the card, and because I love this little window in it. But what I'm going to do is take this coordinating scrapbook paper, and I'm just going to use double-sided tape and stick this inside the card so there's a backing to my little window there, and then we're going to stick a coordinating butterfly in there. So you don't have to do all this. You could just hang a tag on here. You could just put a bow on here. It's up to you. But I'm doing it this way, then I can have room inside the card to put a little note. So we're just going to put that double-sided tape in there. And then I'm going to line up my paper on the inside. And I cut it the same size as my card on the inside, and we're just going to fold it over. So then our paper is stuck to the front, and we still have room on the inside to write a note. Then we're just going to take one of the little coordinating butterflies and center it right in the middle with a pop dot. And there we have our tag. And I'm just going to punch a hole in it with my little hole punch right here, right in the corner. Then we're just going to take our top of our bag here and fold it up, gather it up, and we'll tie it with some of this sheer ribbon. Situated, then we're going to just tie it in a bow and adjust your loops. Now I could just fiddle with a bow forever trying to get it to look right. Go, and then we just want to give it a little trim, and then you can take a scrap of your ribbon that you had left and do just like we did the sachets. Put it through the hole, pull your tails through, and then tie it on your package. Slip that under our bow. And don't tie it too tight because you do want it to hang down just a little bit. And you can give these tails a little trim too. And there we go. We have our packaged sachets. So I think that makes a cute little gift. That'd be nice in a gift basket, or you could put it in a gift bag and give it. But that's another quick and easy little countdown to Christmas craft. Y'all get in there, start working. 17 weeks to Christmas. So it's coming up faster than you think. So get in there, get to making stuff. Because remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye everybody.